Hey everyone, welcome back to Modern Gadget Guy, your go-to channel for no-nonsense reviews of the coolest and most practical tech for your ride. Today, we're taking a close look at a gadget that promises to seriously upgrade your car experience. The HAUXIY wireless Apple CarPlay screen with built-in 4K dash cam. Yup, you heard that right. Wireless CarPlay, a massive 10.26-inch touchscreen, and a front-facing 4K dash cam all packed into one unit. So is this a must-have for older cars or just another clunky car accessory? Let's find out. Product overview. Let's kick things off with what this gadget actually is. The HAUXIY CarPlay screen is a plug-and-play portable display designed for vehicles that don't have built-in Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. It mounts to your dashboard or windshield using a suction cup bracket, plugs into your car's 12V power outlet, and connects to your phone wirelessly, so no complicated wiring or installation required. It features a 10.26-inch HD touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 4K front dash cam with Sony IMX335 sensor, voice control support, built-in Bluetooth, FM transmitter, and GPS navigation, micro SD card support for dash cam recordings. That's quite a bit of tech packed into one device, but does it actually deliver? Ease of setup. First off, setup is refreshingly simple. Out of the box, you get the screen, mounting bracket, car charger, and rear camera cable, although the rear cam is optional to install. You don't need to hardwire anything unless you really want to. Just stick the screen on your dash or windshield, plug it in, pair your phone via Bluetooth, and you're in business. Wireless CarPlay connected in under 30 seconds on our iPhone, and Android Auto worked just as smoothly on a Samsung Galaxy. No need for apps or weird permissions. If you're driving an older car without a fancy infotainment system, this is easily one of the fastest upgrades you can make. Display quality and user interface. Let's talk about that display. The 10.26-inch IPS touchscreen is bright, crisp, and highly responsive. While it's not quite iPad Retina quality, it handles CarPlay and Android Auto flawlessly. Icons are large, transitions are smooth, and the touch response is near instant. It even handles YouTube and video playback surprisingly well via AirPlay. Glare is minimal during the day, and night mode kicks in automatically to reduce brightness. The interface outside of CarPlay is pretty straightforward. You've got access to the camera, settings, Bluetooth calls, music, and video playback. It doesn't try to do too much, which keeps things clean and intuitive. 4K dash cam performance. Now here's where this screen sets itself apart, the built-in 4K front dash cam. It uses a Sony STARVIS IMX335 sensor, the same chip found in some premium dash cams, and it records in true 4K Ultra HD at 30 FPS. Daytime footage is incredibly sharp, with visible license plates and great color balance. At night, the sensor performs well above average, clear, bright, and not washed out by headlights or streetlights. You can pop in a micro SD card, up to 128 GB, and it loops recording automatically. Plus, you can view playback right on the screen. There's also a G sensor that locks video clips in case of a sudden impact, very handy for insurance claims. And yes, if you want rear view recording or backup assist, there's an optional rear camera you can install, but the front camera alone is already excellent. Sound and connectivity. The device has a built-in speaker, but most people will want to connect it to their car audio, and there are three solid options. FM transmission. Tune your car radio to match the device's frequency. AUX out, if your car has a 3.5mm input. Bluetooth pairing, for vehicles that support BT audio input. We tested the FM and AUX methods, and both worked well, though AUX gave slightly better sound clarity. Audio delay was minimal whether you were using navigation, making calls, or playing Spotify. It also supports voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant, so you can make calls, get directions, or send messages hands-free. Navigation and GPS. Because it uses CarPlay and Android Auto, you get access to real-time navigation through your favorite apps like Google Maps, Waze, or Apple Maps. GPS positioning is fast and accurate, and the large screen makes split turns or lane changes much easier to spot. No more fumbling with your tiny phone screen stuck to the AC vent. This alone is a game changer for folks driving older cars on long road trips. Who's it for? This device is perfect for anyone driving an older vehicle without a built-in infotainment system, especially if you're not looking to spend hundreds on a custom stereo upgrade. It's also ideal for Uber, Lyft, or delivery drivers who want both navigation and dash cam coverage in one setup. If you're into DIY or just want a tech upgrade without diving into your car's wiring, this is one of the most complete and painless solutions out there. Pros and cons. So what are the highlights? Easy installation. Plug and play in under 5 minutes. Crisp 10.26 touchscreen. Excellent 4K dash cam performance with Sony sensor. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. No monthly fees or subscription apps. Affordable alternative to costly stereo upgrades. But there are a few minor drawbacks. Mounting arm can vibrate slightly on rough roads. No built-in battery, so it only works when plugged in. FM transmission can be hit or miss in some areas. Still, for the price and features you're getting, the pros heavily outweigh the cons. Final verdict. The HAUXIY wireless CarPlay screen with 4K dash cam is an absolute win for anyone who wants to modernize their car without breaking the bank. It brings premium features to budget vehicles, and does it with ease. We're giving it a solid 9 out of 10. If you're looking to boost your driving experience, this gadget is worth every penny. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews every week. And if you're ready to upgrade your car with wireless CarPlay and 4K dash cam power, click the link in the description to check it out on Amazon. See you in the next one.